Hi, I'm Jon Spruce and I'm a certified Scrum at Scale trainer and a partner at Agile and Scrum. We're here today to explore the Scrum at Scale framework, looking at how the case studies and the patterns behind Scrum at Scale can be used to help build complex products in large organizations. Over the 2 days, what we're doing is exploring the framework, but using interactive simulations and real-world case studies to help the delegates understand how the framework can work. The framework is actually very simple to understand, very hard to implement because it requires lots of disruptive change within the organization. It can be used to help build complex products in very large organizations. And those products can range from military jets to music startup platforms and even the transformation of a retail bank. We explore these real-world case studies and look at how the patterns and the components can support disruptive change within an organization. We use a visual tool in the workshop called a scaling heat map, and it allows us to see a visual representation in the room of everyone's current understanding of where they are with regards to being able to scale. So what we find is that we can either see where there's systemic issues across the group with issues that they're all facing, or whether there's a particular area that they're looking at themselves which needs focus. Over the 2 days, this builds to be, in effect, an improvement backlog. It's their own transformation backlog that can be taken away and start to work on inside their organisation. So the class tends to attract people from all areas, really. Our course today has got people from large energy firms, we have people who are from regulatory and compliance organisations, retail banking, we've even got consultancies and agile coaches. So what we have is a very diverse group of people all learning about their own context and how their problems within their organisation when they face scaling are actually very similar. And so the framework allows us to abstract away from their own individual context and apply some thinking around what can be done to disrupt the change and help them organise things around it. After the 2 days, you've not only learned about the framework and experienced scaling within the classroom, you've also got a list of how to apply this back at your organisation and how to get started with scaling Scrum.